Hi friends, here your friend Rajnikant, Excel Guru. Actually, this query asked by one of our friend in Excel friend from Facebook. So he wants to know whether wherever the W value occurs, the number should add automatically like this. Okay, actually it is a 0. Okay, so here is the problem with them. Actually it tried like this, F2. So it won't work. Okay guys, it won't work. So we will do in another method. I will show you in two methods. Okay, by using sumif and sumproduct. And here it is. Before I start this session, I request everyone to like, share and subscribe my channel. Click on bell icon. After click on bell icon, you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. And here is the solution for that. Coming back to this session, first I will show you with sumif. Is equal to sumif. Open the bracket. The range should be here, comma, and the guy started like this, but it won't work. It will show you the wrong, right? We want the W and the number should match. The W and the number should match. The W and number should match. Then only it will add. Okay. So for that reason, we have to use wildcard before and after the letter W. Then it's a wildcard, so it will see whether the W number is there in the range. Then it will pick up that word. Okay, and here if you press Control Enter, it will show you the correct answer. And here coming to another method is search. Search is a function where it will show you only the place, the value where it is, the W value where it is available, F9, to evaluate. Okay, 3 W's are there in that range. So first of all, we have to rid of that value errors by using ISNUMBER. If you find any number, it will convert into a